Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we fixed this Breville espresso machine that has an automatic dosing and tamping grinder on it. Really a great feature. And so the impeller, the part that tamps the coffee, fell out of the machine, and so we had to fix it. And now it's fixed, and let's go ahead and test the machine. Now it's tamping. Ready? The crema's not very good on this one, and that's because I'm using older test coffee when I was pouring test shots for the grinder. But the impeller is working just fine and got a nice solid pack. And thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.